Hi, I'm Kristina. I'm a postdoc in the lab of Dr. Brian Gabeline in the Division of Developmental Biology at Cincinnati Children's. Our lab has a long-standing interest in the nudge signaling pathway, and my project is focused on a rare congenital disorder called Adams-Oliver syndrome, or in short, AOS, which is caused by mutations in components of this pathway. The disease presents in patients with scalp lesions, shortened fingers and toes, and a variety of cardiovascular defects. We developed a transgenic mouse line carrying an AOS-associated mutation in the gene RBPJ. These mice develop severe cardiovascular defects. A student joining our lab would work with me in further analyzing these cardiac and vascular defects in detail. For that, we will be using different methods for tissue staining, microscopic imaging, and quantitative image analysis. Yeah, I'm looking forward to working with someone on this who is interested in developmental biology.